Hi, my name is Mariah Starnes. I am 27 years old. I'm originally from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, now residing in Great Bend, Kansas, where my husband is originally from. We've been married for 6 years. We have a 4-year-old son and a 2-year-old son, and we recently found out about 2 weeks ago that I'm expecting our third child. So I'll be going through my final semester of transition to teaching and master's in science of education, growing another human being. So um, already felt some of the challenges of that, and hopefully morning sickness will reside soon since school just now started. Um, um, I currently teach elementary art in Great Bend, Kansas. In our district, we have 5 elementary schools, and I am considered an art on the cart teacher. We travel, myself and another coworker, between all the 5 elementary schools to teach art. In the state of Kansas, art isn't required, so I'm thankful that I'm able to be in this position at where I live, so I don't have to travel too far. So we take a cart full of art supplies and go into each classroom. And so my coworker and I divide a school essentially in half. So she teaches one half and I teach the other half, and we do that with all 5 schools. Um, some short-term goals are to finish my education, get my schooling out of the way, um, so I'm able to focus a little bit more um, on my job and my family. This has definitely taken a lot of time from that. There's 2 years for this, and another long-term goal would be to eventually have a classroom of my own. It's kind of a dream, especially going from cart to classroom. It'd be nice to have my own space and area, and eventually maybe work with museums with children programs. I know some facilities have those like weekend, projects, or they have schools visit and stuff like that. So that'd be something I'd love later on in the future. And then let's see. What I really hope to learn from this course is what all goes into curriculum. This summer, we just revamped our curriculum for the art department, and the last time it was revamped was about 12 years ago. And so, being new and not quite fully understanding everything, there are times where I felt like I was a deer in headlights. And um, so just being able to have that under my belt for the next time I'm in a position that way, I can have more of an impactful um, effect on it or opinions on it, instead of just kind of shrugging my head, or having to have them explain to me a little bit better about curriculum. So, well, I hope to see everyone and comment on everyone's discussions, and um, hope for the best for everyone. Thanks.